back. Come back to 3/4. Ready? Go. Okay, now Ryan, at that time, there was this very dramatic, and I caught it on film with Katie. Down and then up. I want you to think of holding that height is coming up. The hands should never go below the plane. Think of yourself on the table. You can't put your hands below the table. You can only come up. Come up. Okay, sit ready. 3/4 side. Ready. Row. Slowly in and up. Stand by. I think it's lifting up, not down. One more time. 3/4. Row. Better, except I was late, Maya. Make sure you go in with 5 and 7. One more time. Ready? Ready. Go. Better. Let's put the inside hand just laying on top. Inside hand laying on top. Same thing. Sit ready. Stay 6. One more time. That's right. Get your pointers appropriate. Okay, back break. You can set. Sit ready. Ready. Go. Don't go before me, Jules. You jumped the gun on me, Joe. Alright, 3/4 side. Ready, go. Katie, make sure you're going in the water. Which you should all hear. I should hear 6 blades plop in together. Okay, back to 3/4. Ready, go. Okay. Good. Now this time, I'm not going to call it. I'm going to have Julia and Eva 5 in a row. Very low rating. You're just going to go up, pop it in, come back to 3/4. Do that 5 times in a row, continuous. Okay? So starting at 3/4, I'll say row, and then you're going to do it continuous 5 times all together. Head forward, sitting up, ready, go. 1, 2, good. 3, 1 catch, don't be late. 4, 5. Okay. You guys are being very